Why does my knee pop and crack after knee surgery? I'm Dr. David, orthopedic surgeon, sports medicine specialist, and author of That's Gotta Hurt, The Injuries That Changed Sports Forever. I provide education, information, and commentary on sports and exercise, injuries, injury treatments, and injury prevention for athletes and active people so that you can stay healthy and perform your best. Popping and cracking in the knee is one of the things people ask about when they come to their first or second visit after surgery. I hear it in the office all the time. Is it a sign that something bad is going on? Let's talk about it and answer that question in today's Ask Dr. Geyer video. John asks, "Hi Dr. David, I had my ACL reconstruction and medial meniscus repair surgery 6 days ago. Is it normal to hear a popping or clicking sound whenever I try to bend my leg for therapy?" I think it's a great question, and I'd say first of all, definitely bring it up with your doctor. Maybe you mention it to your physical therapist as well. But there's a lot of very normal reasons for your knee to pop after surgery. Yes, you can absolutely develop a little bit of scar tissue that you break up as you start getting the knee moving. So it could just be something simple as that. But also after knee surgery, a lot of times the knee is swollen, and that causes popping and cracking for two reasons. One, it causes the kneecap to track a little differently on the front of your knee that can lead to popping and cracking. And that swelling can make your quads weak. And when your quads are weak, that alters how your kneecap tracks as well, again leading to popping and cracking. You work on getting the swelling down, you work on getting your quad strength back and all your motion back to normal. Very, very often that popping and cracking go away. And generally as orthopedic surgeons, we don't get too worked up about popping and cracking, either after surgery or even if that's something you notice and you haven't had surgery. Where we get concerned is if that popping is really, really painful. So I think it's always worth talking to your surgeon about it, but very often it's not a sign of a bad problem. All right, have you had knee surgery and have you been battling with popping and cracking? I'd love to hear your experience. So below this video, describe it. I'd love to hear honestly what you went through. I can't answer any medical questions in the comments about it, but I'd love to hear your experience, and honestly I think people all around the world would as well. Now, if you're dealing with a knee pain and you're trying to overcome it, but you're not necessarily sure what's the number one thing you want to do next, in the description below this video, there's a link that you can click on, and I'll ask you several questions, and that'll help me better give you an idea of the number one next thing that you want to do to overcome your knee injury. If you like videos like this and you want more information on sports and exercise, injuries, injury treatments, and injury prevention, subscribe to my video channel. I record several of these videos every single week. So click the subscribe button in the upper right corner of the page. They'll get delivered directly to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was really helpful if you just went through knee surgery, and I look forward to seeing you right here next time.